So in 2020, still 2024, they have been adopted some student in Kaduna State. You understand?
Mm.
So then I asked someone, I say, why those people have been adopted this young young child from school? Those child, they don't know anything. If you are saying those Nigerian government did something bad to you, those people, what did they know? They don't know anything about this life. They say, no, it's not our own. There is some politician give of this uh, like, how can I say, this direction.
Order, yeah. So you called one of the
Yeah, this
bandits. You
order.
called one of the bandits and asked him why did
Yeah,
they arrest? Why did they kidnap those children? Like, then he
yeah.
now
They
told you
give me
that
that.
it was not from
They,
like it was a
they have
politician
been
that gave
telling
them
me
the order.
something secret. They gave me some. He told me something. He said some of the senator had given us this order to adopt their child. You understand? But still, he's the one who went to the government, federal government, to apply to paying us ransom. Still, he is the one who's sponsoring us. Still, they are the one who bring us guns and ammunition. When we get money, he get higher. When we when we uh, when we lost when we don't have money, even his pocket is low. You understand?
Mm.
I said to why you have to follow this person order. Did you remember this person even when you trying to ask him why he didn't bring his child, his son, into this work? He can't do anything to you. He will never support you with his child or his family members. They have been saying, no, 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 no. You don't know this life. I said, like, how will you tell me this life? Me, I know this life better than you. Because even that time in that before they will start our cow, some of them I will beat them. I know since I was child time, I will beat them. Some of them they remember. They will laughing me. I said, you are stronger still. They know the way you know you before. I said, no, no. I just only asking you. I said, oh, this they were giving us order when we adopted that child, like when we apply 100 million, the politician apply 2 billion. Imagine, can you hear me well?
I'm hearing you.
When they apply 100 million, still that senator, they will going to apply 500 million. When they apply
So when they give
200
them,
million, they will apply.
yeah, okay. So when they give them the money, they remove their own and give those the bandits their own.
When that federal government want to pay them that money, you
Mm.
understand? Still that senator is the one who bring that money to them. After they will give that bandit money, still he is the one who bring the weapon and ammunition. After that, still he is the one who bring that student back to the city. Still he is the one who ordering to adopt them. You understand? So he told me all this information. I think he's lying to me. He said, listen, wait for us. Less than 2 weeks, we will see what the federal government will take action. This matter, I told you, these people, they will bring money without any permission. After after he told me this, if that time I check that this information is serious, I will record it. But I think he's lying to me. After a few time, I saw the money, 3 cars, 3 Hilux, would pull in the money. They'll bring I think it's 2 billion naira. You understand?
Yeah.
They'll bring that money into the senator. Ah, I say, oh, this guy, whatever he told me is the truth. Then they'll bring that money. Senator went there. Then after a few months, I am the one, me and his DSS, me and his DSS, and his driver were the one who took the money by a hand. They will share the money 3 ways. The first one, the bandit have 30%. Senator have 40%. You understand? There is someone who's his godfather. Even him, he has 30%. Because you understand? So all this, the senator, I am among the people who take care of that money. It's on in his home. I ask him myself why this boy tell me this information. Then still it will happening now. It has been happening. I said, let me start to take my work. So I'm starting to taking my work day by day. Whatever I saw something, I took it. So He showed me that info, that passport. He said, "You see this passport here?" He said, "All this passport. This senator, he did us more than we are more than 100 leaders, different places from Taraba, from Plateau State, from Benue, from Katsina, Zamfara, Sokoto, Kaduna, Niger, some part of Abuja. All of us, he inviting us, he giving us, he accommodated us into Nasarawa to get passports." I say, why he didn't do it into your origin indigene? He said, no, 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 our origin indigene, because our security know us. When we are moving another place, we get it easy without catch us. I say, look, already you have good fathers. What do you fear about it? You will not fear about anything. You understand? Don't fear about anything. You already have good father, senator, and his godfather. So he's surprised. I'm surprised. I think he's lying. He showed me the proof. That passport. Even that time, I think he showed me more than 15 passports. All of them, they have been staying together. All of them, no single person. Among those people you see in that video, there is no single person. I don't know him. All of them. Some of them, they are the people who's killing my family members. Some of them, they are the people who stole our cows. Some of them, they are the people who kidnapped our family. Then I tried to talk to the senator.